Good afternoon all of you. Today discuss about the effective area and design strength of the butt welded joint. The effective area formula is the effective throat thickness into effective length of the bolt weight. So the design formula in previous class discussed about TDW equal to Fy into LW into TE and gamma MW. So the Fy where Fy equal to the smaller of yield stress of weld and LW equal to effective length of the weld in mm. The all of you unit is mm. The TE equal to effective throat thickness. The gamma MW partial safety factor for both two welding. First one is soft welding and second one is side welding. The soft welding equal to the gamma MW 1.25 mm. The gamma MW is side welding is 1.5 mm. So the design strength of the butt weld formula is only a butt weld in shear. So Fy root 3 into LW TE into gamma MW. So the next one is TE formula is 5/8 thickness of thinner member for incomplete penetration. So the incomplete penetration TE formula is 5/8 thickness of thinner member, but complete penetration T equal to only of lesser or increasing member. So the design strength of bending moment is FDW 1.2 into JD into Fy into gamma M0. So the FDW where FDW equal to bending moment of design strength and JD equal to section modulus of member. So the JD formula equal to JD similar than the ZYY. So the JD equal to DB square divided by 6. So the Fy equal to next previous one Fy equal to smaller of yield stress of weld. So the gamma MW gamma M0 equal to partial safety factor for yielding stress. So the problem is discussed about the first problem is so two plate element. First two plate element. The thickness of plate element is 16 mm, another one is 14 mm. Joined by a only of group weld. Shown in the figure, the joint is subjected to a factor tensile force for weld is 430. Tensile force weld is given that 430 and effective length of the weld is given that LW 175 mm. So the check safety joint. In first one is find out single V butt joint and second one is double V butt weld joint. So assume plate to be soft weld. Both are assume plate to be soft weld. Mane gamma M0, gamma MW equal to 1.25 mm. So the Fy equal to 410 Newton per mm square and Fy equal to 250 Newton per mm square. So each question given there. So the first solution is given that of the effective length of the weld. The effective length of the weld LW is given that of the effective length of the weld is 175 mm. So the length of the weld is 175 mm. The assume is but given that Fu and Fy equal to 410 Newton per mm square and Fy equal to 250 Newton per mm square. So the gamma MW is for soft welding is given that for soft welding. So the gamma MW equal to 1.25. The first one is find out single V butt weld. So the first one is the plate thickness is two plate thickness is 16 mm and another one is 14 mm. So the here is single V butt joint here E incomplete penetration. So the incomplete penetration previous discussed about the T equal to incomplete penetration 5/8 and thickness of thinner member. So the design strength is find out of TDW design strength Fy into LW into TE by gamma MW. So is problem is know that the Fy is know that Fy into 250, LW is given that LW is effective length of the weld 175 mm. So next one TE is find out the TE. TE is 5/8 in thickness of thinner member. So the thickness of thinner member is two plate element. So the first one is 16 mm and 14 mm. The thinner member is 14 mm. So the 14 mm 5 by 8 into 14 equal to 8.75 mm. So the next one is TW is given that this value. The FY is 250 and 175 and 8.75 and gamma MW is force up to 1.25. So the answer is 306.2 kilonewton. So the next is the design strength of for tension or compression is 306.2 kilonewton. The factor tensile force is given that 430 is question given that 4. So the 430 is greater than for find out the 306.2 kilonewton only of tension or compression. The weld is safe but is decreasing is lesser than 430. Then the second is same double V butt joint. Here the complete penetration. So throat thickness is TE is 14 mm. So TDW equal to FY, same formula FY into LW into TE by gamma MW. So this value is given, put this answer, then find out the answer is 490 kilonewton. So the 490 kilonewton is given that of factor tensile force 430. So the is above that this value, the weld is not safe. Thank you.